Okay, so myth one. Myth one is pretty simple. Terrorists are irrational mental cases. Every time there's an attack, uh, again, you turn 2 hours later on cable news, and you'll hear the ubiquitous talking heads talking about that person is crazy, wacko, psycho, any name that you can think of someone that's for mental illness or someone that is mentally ill, it will be sworn out. They must be crazy. That Orlando shooter must be crazy. The Boston Marathon bombers, they must be psycho. And that gets repeated immediately after a terrorist attack. Reality is, terrorist organizations are very rational. Now, yes, they might take advantage of people who have predilections towards mental illness, but the actual terrorist organization, the people trying to execute an attack, be it Al Qaeda, ISIS, or some of the groups we're going to talk about in this class, are very rational. They're using terrorism to achieve an objective, and that is the definition of being rational. So they might kill people in the process, they might inflict mass violence, but they're doing so to achieve an objective. And as I mentioned, again, they're using terrorism to achieve a goal, to achieve an objective, and that's very important to understand as we go forward. And they're using terrorism to manipulate public opinion and to bring attention to their cause. That, again, is the definition of being rational. So again, you'll hear the terrorists are irrational. You'll hear this type of coined phrase coming out on the media, and you'll hear this hours after a terrorist attack. But never for 1 second think that the executors of terrorism are irrational or nutcases and are doing this just for mental illness issues.